Thinking of building your website with Canva? Here's why that might not be the best idea. Canva is a fantastic tool for designing graphics, social media posts, and presentations. It's quick, easy, and beautiful, but when it comes to websites, it's a different story. Let's break down why Canva isn't the right tool to build a serious website. Canva websites are essentially landing pages. No blog, no e-commerce, no real navigation, no custom forms. Just a pretty face with no substance. Your website needs to show up in search results. Canva gives you only basic SEO tools, no meta tags, alt text control, or integration with Google Search Console. As your business grows, Canva stays stuck. You can't scale your website, add complex features, or expand easily. You can't customize layouts, add animations, or even tweak your mobile design properly. You're locked into Canva's limits. People can tell when you've used a Canva template. Your website is your online first impression. It should reflect your brand's quality and credibility. A professional designer can build a custom website tailored to your brand, goals, and audience, with proper SEO, responsive design, and room to grow. You get more than a website. You get a digital home that works hard for your business. So ditch the Canva shortcut. Let's build a website that truly represents your brand. Get in touch with me today.